There's a doctor on your screen right now. White coat, calm voice. A real name. You could look him up and find his actual clinic. And he's telling you about a miracle your own doctor somehow never mentioned. Here's the thing. He never recorded a single word of it. Someone took his face, his voice, and put words in his mouth he would never say. And he had no idea until patients started asking him about a supplement he's never heard of. That's not science fiction. It's happening on the apps in your pocket right now. And today, using two real ones I dug up, I'll show you how to spot them in about 30 seconds. Hi there. Welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. I'm Alan, still the AI version of me, and I'll never pretend otherwise. Hold that thought, because today it matters. And that's Sam. That's you figuring this out with me. You already know AI can fake a face and clone a voice. We covered that with scam phone calls. This is that same trick pointed at your health. So here's what we'll do together. First, the two kinds of fake doctor. Then, two real ones I actually found. And here's the honest part most videos skip. I'll show you why the obvious giveaways can fool you both ways, and the one simple check that actually settles it. Let's start with the two types. Type 1, a real doctor hijacked. This is a genuine credentialed physician, and scammers feed old interviews and videos of them into AI, then puppet that face to sell whatever they want. It's not rare, and it's not small. Respected doctors have been shown pushing weight loss pills and supplements they've never endorsed. One was even made to appear to sell 9,000 milligram beetroot capsules. Doctors' own professional groups are now calling this a serious problem. Type 2 is stranger. There's no real doctor at all. The face, the voice, the confident bedside manner, a computer built the whole person. Sometimes it's one fake doctor. Sometimes it's a whole factory of them, a content farm pushing out videos every single day, each one fronted by an invented expert with a made-up name. And here's the part that surprised me. A lot of these aren't even selling you a pill. No product, no checkout. They're just farming your attention for ad money, which means, and this is the tricky bit, the advice can sound perfectly reasonable. You're not hunting for an obvious lie. You're hunting for a doctor who doesn't exist. Now, let me be fair with you, because this trips people up. Watch a few of these, and they start to feel identical.
Let me ask you a question that might make you rethink what's sitting in your refrigerator right now.
What if the food sitting in your refrigerator right now?
Same fridge hook, same mystery patient with suspiciously perfect numbers, same morning trick almost nobody talks about. Feels like a smoking gun, right? It isn't, because AI writes to the same winning formula for everyone. Honestly, our videos follow a formula too. First rule of YouTube, open with a hook, guilty. So two perfectly real people using AI could sound this alike. They all sound the same isn't a verdict. It's a shrug. The thing that actually catches a fake is what happens when you check the source. So, what should make you slow down? A handful of things, but treat everyone as a reason to look closer, not a conviction. The lazy fakes still glitch, a shimmer or outline at the edge of the face, lips out of sync on sounds where they press together. B, M, P, a voice that's a touch too flat. Then the sales tells, a miracle claim, a countdown, a checkout you can't find anywhere else. And yes, scroll down, and YouTube often labels these itself, made with AI. Every one of those is saying the same thing. Slow down and check. Not one of them, on its own, says guilty. And you have to hold them loosely. The good fakes have no glitch at all. That made with AI tag, a completely honest creator could carry it too. An AI voice, a bit of AI B-roll. I even ran one of these through every check I had. And the best I could honestly say was almost certainly AI. So don't convict from the video. You'll get it wrong. Check the source instead. Let me show you. The fix isn't sharper eyes. It's a 30-second check on the source. And I'll be honest, when I first watched these, the advice sounded reasonable. I couldn't call it, so I did 3 things. 1, I searched the doctor's name, Dr. Carter Senior Care. No clinic, no license, no real physician anywhere, just the channel. 2, the Made with AI tag under the title. And look, that alone isn't a crime. We'd carry one too. It just means don't stop here. 3, the one that settled it. I took a screenshot of his face and dropped it into Google's image search. Watch, same face, different name, fronting a whole string of gold and silver investing channels. There is no Dr. Carter. There's a face, reused. That's the difference. Not AI was involved. A doctor who doesn't exist. And the big one for your health. When it really matters, take it to a real person who knows you. A doctor who knows your history beats any confident face in a video. Every time. None of this makes AI the villain. AI is just a tool. And most of what we do on this channel is AI helping you out in the open. Using AI to make a video isn't the problem. A doctor who doesn't exist is. And remember, some of these fakes aren't even selling anything, and the advice might be fine. But you can't tell the harmless slop from the just drink water to cure diabetes kind by the advice alone, only by the source. So slow down. Check who's really behind it. And when it's your health on the line, let a real professional have the last word, not a stranger in a clip who might not even exist. So, 2 fakes, the stolen face and the one who never existed. The surface stuff, the glitches, the samey scripts, even the made with AI tag. Those are cues to check, not proof. What settles it is the source, a real name, a real credential, a face that isn't borrowed. And when it's your health, you go to a real person. I made a free 1-page cheat sheet with the 2 types, the cues, and the 30-second source check. Link in the description. Save it to your phone so it's there the moment something feels off. If this helped, do one kind thing. Send it to someone who trusts what they see online a little too easily. You might save them real money, or worse. And tell me in the comments, have you spotted one of these fake doctors in the wild? What gave it away? I read every one. I'm Alan, the AI version, and I'll see you in the next one.